Hello, teacher.
Hello, Julia. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Yeah, teacher Ann is doing great. I'm doing fine. Everything is great. Everything is okay. Okay. So how are you
Yes.
today, my love?
Yes.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Okay. So what is the weather in Vietnam?
Yes.
What is the weather in Vietnam now?
Yes.
No, no, no. What is the weather in Vietnam? It is sunny or it is rainy?
Us.
The weather is it is rainy or sunny? Hey, Julia, is the weather sunny or rainy?
Yes.
Oh, yes. No, no, no. Is the weather sunny or rainy? What's the weather? It's very hot. The weather is hot. Hmm? Or the weather is not good? What's the weather for today? What is the weather? The weather is very hot. Okay, in my country, the weather is rainy. It's it rains a lot. Okay, the weather is not really good. Oh, it's so sad. The weather, Julia, is not really good today. Okay, so that's why teacher Ann doesn't like to go out. Okay, Julia. Okay, for today, Julia, teacher will share to you the screen. Okay, let us have here Julia. Oh, wait me, Julia, huh? This one. Okay, I will share to you the screen, Julia. Okay, so let us have playing and working. Okay, playing and working. Okay, if you find it difficult to tell the story in singing, you should look at the picture. Okay, here, Julia, please open your camera. Julia, please open your camera. Okay, look at the picture and answer the questions. Please look at the picture and answer the questions. Please look at the picture and answer the question. What can you see? Look at number one. What can you see? Okay, what can you see in number one? Hello? Hello?
Dạ. Ủa, anh được không nói á? Teacher.
Okay, yeah. Hello?
Hello, teacher.
Oh, who is that? Oh, what is your name? Oh, you have kitten. You know,
E-cat baby.
oh, baby, it's kitten. Baby cat is kitten.
Baby cat.
Kitten. Kitten.
Teacher.
Yeah, I have puppy too. I have baby dog. Oh, you want to see my baby dog? Oh, wait nga, I will get my baby dog. Bisa na akong So,
Ngon nha, teacher. Có đi.
Kanang isa kayo sa ulo. Uy, yung undangan na yung bola, kamutan mo sila. Ako ba nakundang? Ako ba nakundang? Ay? Di ko lang ba. Nakundang ka. Napunti din. Okay, I have baby dog here. Oh, you want to see my baby dog? Oh, wait me, huh? The baby dog is coming. If you have baby cat, I have my baby dog. Oh, here. Ting, 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 ting. Oh, there, go, mama. Ting, 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 ting. Oh, here, baby. Okay. Lucky. Tignan ang looy ng mga pat. Pat, pat. Oh, pat, pat. Oh, look at here. This is the white one. His name is Prada and this is Gucci. Prada and Gucci. Prada Gucci. Prada Gucci. Ang dami, ma'am. Sorry.
Is
Yeah, that's the name of my dog. How about yours?
uncle.
What's the name of yours? Name, this is Gucci, baby, Gucci, baby. Oh, look at here. Coaching.
Kecil. Ini bạn kia.
Dance, ting, dance, baby. Dance. Look at. Oh, so it's baby cute. Okay, Sally. Now, Sally, what can you see in the first picture? What can you see in here? Look at what can you see? What can you see in here?
Teacher, may I go out?
Okay, go out. Mommy, go back. Look at this one. What can you see in the first picture? What can you see in the first picture?
Is
What can you see in the first picture?
is
Okay, look at first picture. Look at. What can you see in the first picture? Okay, what can you see here? Number one. Look at number one. What can you see in number one? Oh, number one, number
is
2, 3, and 4. What can you see in number one? Oh, look at number one. Okay, what can you see in number 1? What can you see in number 1? Okay, what can you see number 1? Julia, look at number 1. You can see what? Look at number 1. Julia, please look at number 1, Julia. What can you see in number 1? Okay, please look at what happened in number 1. Please look at what happened in number 1. What happened in number 1?
Is
Yes.
is is cat
It is.
mother.
It is.
It cat that mother.
There is a. Okay,
Brother,
there is.
sister.
Okay, look up. There is a car. There is a car. Is the car clean or dirty? Look at the car. Is the car clean or dirty? Look at. Is the car clean or dirty? What do you think you can see in the car? Is it clean or dirty?
In forest.
It is clean or dirty? Look at. What do you think of the car? Is it clean or dirty? Look at. It is. The car is.
Father, mother.
Okay, the mother.
Sister. In cat world.
Okay. Okay. Look at the car. Look at the car. Is the car clean or dirty? Look at the car. Is the car clean or dirty? What do you think? The car is? What do you think it is?
Wow.
Look at. It is dirty. Julia, the car is dirty. My God. The car is dirty. The car is dirty. Okay. So here, the car is dirty. It's not good. Okay. It is not good. Okay. So the car is dirty. Okay. Look at picture number 2, Julia. Okay. Look at picture number 2. What do you think the boy and the father doing? Look at number 2. What do you think this boy and the father and the dad doing? They are, look at them. What do you think they are doing? They are, look at what do you think they're doing? They are, look at the boy. Look at the boy. What do you think they are doing? What do you think they're doing? They are cleaning the, Julia, they are cleaning the car. Julia, they are cleaning the car. Okay. They are cleaning the car. Look at now. Is the car clean? Oh, look at the boy. What the boy bring? Look at the boy. What the boy bring in the picture? What the boy bring in the picture? Look at the boy. What do you think the boy bring in the picture? What do you think the boy bring in the picture? Look at the boy. The boy is, look at this. The boy bring, what is this? The boy bring something in the picture. Look at that. Something to drink. Something to drink, Julia. Okay. Number 4, Julia. Julia, please talk. What happened in number 4? What happened in number 4? Look at number 4. What happened? Ouch. What happened in number 4? Look at number 4. What happened in number 4? Can you see number 4? What happened in number 4? Hmm? Look at number 4. What happened in number 4? What do you think happened in number 4? Look at number 4. You can see in number 4. What happened in number 4? What happened in number 4, Julia? Look at number 4. No, no. Look at number 4. What happened in number 4? Look at number 4. Look at number 4. What happened in number 4? In number 4, you can see that. Julia, where are you, Julia? Please, where are you? Oh, please speak up. What happened in number 4? What happened? Look at, there is a, Julia. What happened in number 4? There is a rain in number 4. You can see that there is a rain in number 4. Oh, you can see that one. There is a rain in number 4. Okay. Okay, so next one, Julia. Please, Julia. Okay, so here, what are they doing? Okay, this is quite hard for you. Okay, what did you do on Monday after you got up? Or after you wake up? Or what did you do on Monday? Wait me, Julia.
He said,
Okay, what did you do? Okay, will you take a bath? Will you eat? Or what did you do after you got up? You will what? Julia, you will what? What will you do? You will what? What you will do? You will Julia, please answer. What did you do on Monday after you got up? Or what did you eat and drink? Or what did you eat and drink for breakfast?
Is
Answer.
is the half is uh is hamburger and lemonade.
Oh, you drink and eat hamburger and lemonade. Okay, next one. Which two things did you do on Wednesday? 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 Okay. Did you eat or did you drink on Wednesday? Okay, let's skip because you're not okay. Where did you go last week? Where did you go last week? Where did you go last week? Where did you go last week, Julia?
Is is um, is Sydney.
In the?
Sydney.
It's in the?
Sydney.
Okay. Did you play on a computer on Friday? Did you play computer? Did you play computer? Huh? Did you play computer? Did you play computer? Did you play computer? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, it's yes. Who were you with on Saturday? Okay. Who were you with on Saturday? Okay. Who were you with on Saturday? Last Saturday, you were with your mom, your dad, who? Julia.
Is is uh
Okay. Saturday, what did you do on Saturday?
Saturday is
Yeah. What did you do on Saturday?
swimming pool.
Okay, you go to swimming pool. Oh, you go swimming on Saturday. Okay, so on Saturday, you go swimming. Okay. Okay, so did you send text or message or call last Sunday?
Is Sunday is Sunday is is yoga kid
Mm-hmm.
yoga kid
You got?
kid
Oh, I didn't understand. Again, you got? You got sick? You were sick.
yoga kid
Kick. Like this. Wait. That one? Look at kick. Kick.
no
What is it? Oh, please check my message. Oh, you write your message right here.
is yoga kid
Oh, yeah, I understand. Yeah, I understand. Kick. Okay.
yoga kid kid
Okay. Now, what is the best day last week? What is your best day last week? What is your last? What is your last best day last week? Best day last week. is the best day last week? Best day for you. What? What is the best day last week? Best for you? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, what?
It's Monday.
Monday. Oh, why you like Monday? Why you like Monday?
It go to school.
Okay, it is.
Go to school English.
Oh, you go to school. Okay. Okay. Who did help you at home? Who did help you at home, Julia?
What?
No one? No one help you at home?
What?
Who did help you at home? Your homework. Who helped your homework?
What? No.
No one helps you? Huh? No one helps you? Okay, no one helps you? No one. How about your mom? Where is your mom? Who helps you?
Yes.
Oh, who helps you?
Yes.
Okay, so Julia, we don't have enough time. Teacher N has a class at 7 p.m. So I have to leave now, okay? Julia, yeah, please, okay? Julia, okay, bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.